big flowers now. Cut 3 pipe cleaners in half. Measured at 4 centimeters. Bend both sides and tie it. Fold it up the long part and back down from the top to fill the gap. Close the small tail and twist twice to secure it. Trim the tip of each petal.
내년엔 약속인지 원망인지 모를 꽃은
Make 6 pieces.
또 피겠지.
2 artificial flower cores folded in half. Half a golden pipe cleaner around the flower core 4 times. Half a bright yellow twist stick measures about 1 centimeter and fold it into 6. Glue should be applied to the edges. Wrap along the flower core.
그 쓸쓸함에 기대어 고백 한 번
Push outward.
했는데 사람들은 벌써 겨울에 가 있고
Glue each petal and place between 2 gaps in the flower core.
내년엔 약속인지 원망인지 모를 꽃은 또 피겠지.
Assemble the 6 petals evenly. Wrap it in floral tape. Brush on eyeshadow. Slightly bend each flower at 2 centimeters. Make 3 big flowers. Now make florets. Fold the flower core in half and wrap it 4 times with half a golden pipe cleaner. Take a pipe cleaner and bend it at 4.5 centimeters. Measure at 2.5 centimeters and then fold it into 4. Twist twice. Spread out each in the middle and then pinch at the top. Place the finished core in the center of the small petals. Wrap it in floral tape. Brush on eyeshadow. Bend the florets at a position of 2 centimeters. A pipe cleaner measures 4 centimeters. Measure at 2.5 centimeters and fold it into 3. Twist twice. Twist both ends together to tighten up. Wrap it with floral tape.
그대는 사랑을 알지 못해 아직도 흔들리고 있나
Brush on eyeshadow.
하지만 그런 흔들림은
Bend at a position of 2 centimeters. Makes 2 flower bud. Take out half a green pipe cleaner.
설레임이
Measure at 3.5 centimeters.
바뀌는 시작에 문 앞에 서면
Fold it down, go through the middle and tighten up.
사라져가는 신념처럼 붙잡고 싶던
So the little leaf is done.
봉숭아처럼
Twist twice 2 green pipe cleaners at the middle.
얹고 물들고 싶던 그 마음
few leaves. Wrap the flower stem stick with floral tape and place large flowers. Put the second flower at 3 or 4 centimeters apart.
설레임이 떨림으로 바뀌는 시작의 문 앞에 서면
Then wrap on the floret and flower buds evenly.
사라져가는 신념처럼 붙잡고 싶던 손톱 끝 봉숭아처럼
Place a small leaf after the last bud.
얹고 싶던
And then put the big leaves on the bottom evenly.
그 마음 첫눈이 내리도록
So now we have a beautiful daffodil. Take out 2 meters of white thread. Use a leftover pipe cleaner to tie it up. The roots of the daffodils are about 5 centimeters long. Take out a 4 centimeter bubble bowl and make the onion. Stick the roots to the bottom of the bowl. Take out 2 beige pipe cleaners. Twist it at 5.5 centimeters. Keep 1 centimeter on top. Make 4 pieces of the same garlic clove. Glue each garlic clove on the inside edge. Paste evenly. Apply the last piece and adjust. Apply some color to the ends of the roots. The whole daffodil is ready.